Hi everyone. So we have a custom form here, and as you can see, we have a drop-down field called rackets. Okay, and the drop-down values are Yonex, Leaning, Apex, Victor, Costco. Okay, we have some rackets here. Okay, now we've already used this form in this test task 1. Here we have selected Costco as racket. In test task 2, we have selected Victor as racket. Okay, now let's say if the customer is asking you to remove this drop down value of Costco. Okay, he's saying that we don't like this racket anymore and let's remove that racket from the drop down value list. Okay, um, what would you do? Let's say let's try to remove it first of all. Let's try to remove this choice, okay, and let's see what happens. Okay, now if you go to, I just removed the drop down value of Costco. Now let's go to test task one here. Let's try to refresh it, okay, and you can see that the data is gone. Okay, the data is gone here. Okay, we don't have the rackets anymore. Okay, we don't have the drop down value of Costco anymore. Okay, so that's the impact of it. If you try to remove the drop down value, this is what happens. Historical data will be lost. Okay, so ideally what you need to do is you need to hide the choice. So let's say let's say let's try to hide Victor. Okay, hide this choice, Victor, hide this racket. Okay, now if I save it and if I go to the test task 2, the data will not be deleted. Okay, the data will not be deleted. Okay, you can see that Victor is still there. Okay, so ideally that's what you need to do. Okay, so if you go to this task, let's try to, okay, okay, let's apply this. Okay, and let's try to refresh it here. Let's try to refresh it. Okay, now if you see this, you won't be able to select Victor as an option here. At the same time, the data is not lost in the historical tickets, right? So that's how you do it basically. Okay, so basically, whenever they're asking you to remove an option, a drop-down value, let's say, don't remove it, rather hide it. Okay. I hope you like this video. Have a great day.